Okay, here we have a Tektronix 2213A 60 megahertz oscilloscope. It's 2-channel, and we'll have it on eBay for sale. Um, I don't think there's any issues with it that I can tell. There's 2 or 3 little cosmetic things that we'll show in the photographs when we make those. But like I said, 2-channel, and I'll bring up the intensity and bring it back down. Slow it down here where we can see that a little bit better. Demonstrate the focus here a little bit. Looks like it gets nice and sharp. I'm going to take position number 1 up, take position number 1 back down. We'll take position number 2 up and back down, and I believe all that's working as it should. Okay, we'll get these, keep these separated a little bit where we can demonstrate some voltage readings. So I've got AC and DC voltages set up over here off to the side, and we'll start out with DC on both channels. Go with channel number 1 here first. I've got a 12-volt power supply. I've got 10x probes here. The oscilloscope does not come with any probes. I'm keeping these probes. You get only the oscilloscope. So let's see what we've got here. 2 volts per division, and I've got a 10x probe, so we should be in pretty good shape there. It might help if I plug the power supply in, so we'll do that. And make sure we're in a safe range here before we start messing around with it. Okay, you'll see the bottom one there jump a little bit. And take it to a little bit higher scale there, or lower scale rather. So we see the bottom one jump. That's DC. Working real good. Alright, we're going to go to channel 2. Same thing. I'll put it on the same scale. There we go there. Okay. I'll bring that position down just to watch it jump all the way up there. So that's it for DC. We're going to switch over to AC. Speed things up a little bit. See what we can do here. Alright, channel number 1. This is a 24-volt power supply. Okay, raise up that intensity a little bit. We can see it. Separate them a little bit. And there's our 60 hertz on channel number 1. Okay. Go with channel number 2. We'll match the settings there for the division. Leave the speed alone. And there's channel number 2. Okay. Nothing I know of wrong with it, I just don't need it. I've got more test equipment than I know what to do with, so we'll go ahead and hook both up together at the same time while we're at it. And there we go. All right, that'll do it for this video.